Well, look at me being all pessimistic. It goes basically as far as it can right now, and then it runs into an error because I'm pretty sure right now it doesn't find the end position of these because of these two sensors in question. Like this one and this one right there. They have to be somewhere back here. I really just don't know where exactly they're supposed to be. I kind of feel like this might be the other end of it, the other side of it, which would point to actually right there. But I have no idea, like, on the picture they're screwed in there. Obviously not in this case, so I might just like, duct tape them there. I'll see what I can do. But yeah, it goes all the way before it closes the trunk because it doesn't find the end position of the roof, and otherwise it seems fine. So I'll go get some duct tape, tape the sensors there, and have a look what happens. Would you look at that? We have a convertible, and it did it almost all on its own. I did end up taping those sensors down. First time around, not the right spot. Second time around, worked. I obviously still have that Bowden issue with these, Bowden cable issue. I need to get those in and fixed somehow. So, because they are actually, those are linked to the trunk movement. So when the trunk tilts back and down, it activates these, and the Hall sensors in there tell it, yes, you can do it, or yes, or no, you can't. So when opening and closing, I kind of have to prop these in place on both sides. This one is closed. This one, again, just a little Bowden cable. I need to address it in a second. Should not be a problem. Yeah, and once these are in place, I still have to figure out where exactly those Hall sensors go, because, well, obviously right now it's not exactly the way it's supposed to be. But let's have a look. Oh, it's already open. Oh, great. Trunk is open. That means, yeah, trunk is open. Which means this, oh yeah, usable trunk space. Funny. Not too much, is it? As you can see, this is a taped Hall sensor right there, and this is, as suspected, the counterpart to it. Same over here. I have no idea. I found pictures where you can't see them on there, and in other pictures they are bolted in there. I don't know. Anyway, let's see if I can't close this lock. This piece of garbage lock. Come on, come on. Click, closed. More breaking plastic bits of it, don't care. Put it in there. Close it. Okay. Trunk is closed. 20 degrees. Roof. So now this opens, which also means these need to be open since they are connected. There we go. And there comes the roof package. It does hopefully not impale me. Trunk comes back down, sunroof closes. What's missing is these. Come on, get in there. Good enough. Yeah. Closed. Keep closing it. Trunk should be locking. The roof is coming back down. Oh, the rear window's coming back down. Windows are rolling up. And it's happy, except for the roof, the trunk being open again, because it unlocks it obviously for the movement, but since it's broken, it only sometimes works. So, and it obviously can't go back into the lock position because it's not attached anywhere. But as you just witnessed, the roof works. So with the roof actually movable, I did some research and I also managed to get those cables for those two flaps in place. So no more duct tape, I think, I hope. So let's give this a shot, I think. I also topped up the oil on the pump because I think there was still some air in the system and it lost some because I can't see a puddle. Anyway, counterintuitively, we're going to press to open the roof, as you do. Windows, sunroof. I can already see lights, so it's unlocking things. Yep, that pops open. Okay, this apparently came out again. I guess this is still broken. Let's hold that in place and keep pressing. I'm going to use a packet pen. Yep. Okay. Now I could let it go because the trunk is open and it's supposed to be open. So let's keep moving. Boing. And that's going to close. As you can see, this one is actually moving accordingly. So I'm just going to pretend here the same. This one works. I guess this one came out again over there. Okay, I guess this doesn't work still. And this also doesn't want to stay in. Interesting. Okay, so let's have a look. Dangly lock, yummy. Oh right, I can't see it right now because the roof is down. Well, maybe this one. It's just a little cable that has like not much of a attachment point. It's actually right there, you can see. It goes around the vent and then down there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix that again. And that one over there. I might just have to buy another one of those clips that I bought over there, which I managed to get in. So it's another 8 euros or something like that. Should not be a problem to make that one work. This one, as I said, just a clip really. It's just a Bowden clip thingy. Shouldn't be popping out on its own. Maybe it wasn't in properly. Didn't pay too close attention. Obviously I need to do some leveling here. That's adjustable, height adjustable. Obviously, this looks honestly fine given the fact that I have just randomly put it in. The other one looks okay too. Yeah, I think we have a working roof, like without any problems. Let's check the fluid level. Maybe a little bit too much still, but it's gonna be fine. It's all gonna be fine, I hope. Okay, this has annoyed me long enough. I ended up taking this lock apart, checking what the problem might be, and it looks like, same as on the light bulb there, corrosion on the connectors, hence intermittent work. So use some alcohol and Q-tip generously, and took it apart, cleaned the contacts, scrubbed them down, put the lock back together, this time with the emergency pull doodad attached, so I can at any given time still open it if it decides to not unlock. But so far closed. Let's see, alignment. I don't know, this probably has to go in further. Yep. Seems fine. What doesn't seem fine, obviously, that flap. So this is kind of still needed here. The tapey tape, at least for now. I'll go and call the dealer to order another part for that side, since I fixed that one already. And I think, without being too optimistic, if I can get this out of the way, this, after I reinstall the mirrors, might go on a test drive today. Maybe. Just maybe. You will have to wait and see. Are you going for a test drive, Italy?
Do some sound effects. How does the car sound when you're driving it, Headley? I definitely was not driving like that.
Were you not? It works.